Hi everyone, welcome back to Jenny Island Vibe. In today's video, I will be making gooey mac and cheese. That's right, without further ado, let's get started. Ingredients I will be using for today's recipe are: I have elbow pasta, 3 sticks of cheese, all-purpose flour, butter, cayenne pepper for a little kick, Adobo all-purpose seasoning, and evaporated milk. The first thing I'm going to do is boil the pasta for 10 to 15 minutes, or you can follow your pasta instruction. Now it comes to a boil, I'm going to add the pasta in. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Now I am going to make the sauce. Add the butter, let it melt, then add flour and milk. I'm using evaporated milk, but you can use any milk you desire. Lightly stir it. Then I'm adding the seasoning. Remember to check the description box below for all ingredients that I use for today's recipe. Nice and creamy. I'm going to add the cheese and combine everything together with the pasta. And we are not done yet. I'm also going to use the remainder of the cheese for the top. Next thing I'm going to do is add some butter in the pan. And pour that pasta. Guys, look at that mac. Nice and cheesy. Looking beautiful. Now I'm gonna add the rest of the cheese on top. Let it bake for 25 minutes until nice and golden brown. To all my subscribers that always tune in, you mean the world to me. Thank you. Remember to share, comment, and like. We'll see you next time on Jenny Island Vibes.